Hello friends, welcome to English by Mahesh. Today we are going to learn 56 helping verbs in English with their meanings, usages and examples. Helping verbs make sentences clear and strong. Watch the full video to learn easily. Let's get started. Do, does, did. Use it to form question, negatives and emphasize actions. Examples. Do you like ice cream? She does her homework daily. He did his best in the exam. Am, is, are, was, were. Used as a linking verbs or to show continuous action. Examples. I am happy. She is a teacher. They are playing. He was late to school. We were at the park yesterday. Shall, shall be, shall have been. Used for future actions and formal statements. Examples. I shall call you tomorrow. The work shall be completed soon. He shall have his dinner by 8 p.m. By next year, she shall have been working here for 5 years. Will be, will have been. Used for future actions and promises. Examples. She will visit next week. The match will be exciting. They will have finished the project by Monday. By December, I will have been working here for 2 years. Can shows ability or possibility. Examples. I can swim. She can solve this problem easily. Should have been. Expresses advice or past possibility. Examples. You should eat healthy food. He should have studied more. She should have been more careful. Could have been. Shows past ability or possibility. Examples. I could run fast when I was young. You could have joined us. He could have been a great leader. Would have been. Expresses hypothetical situations or past possibilities. Examples. I would help if I had time. She would have won the race. He would have been happy with this gift. May have been. Shows possibility or permission. Examples. May I come in? He may have missed the bus. She may have been at home. Might have been. Expresses uncertainty or possibility. Examples. It might rain today. She might have left early. He might have been sleeping. Must have been. Expresses necessity or strong possibility. Examples. You must study for the exam. He must have forgotten his keys. They must have been tired. Have been, have to. Shows positions, obligation or continuous actions. Examples. I have a car. She has been working hard. You have to follow the rules. Has been, has to. Similar to have. Used with he, she, it. Examples. He has a laptop. She has been learning English. He has to complete his project. Had been, had to. Shows past positions or obligation. Example. I had a bike. She had been waiting for an hour. He had to leave early. Need to, needs to. Shows necessity. Examples. You need to practice daily. He needs to study for the test. Dare to, dares to. Shows courage. I dare to speak the truth. She dares to dream big. Want to, wants to. Expresses desires. Examples. I want to learn English. He wants to become a doctor. Wish to, wishes to. Shows wishes. Examples. I wish to travel abroad. She wishes to meet her favorite actor. Going to. Used for future actions. Examples. I am going to visit my grandparents. She is going to buy a new phone. Willing to. Shows speediness. Examples. I am willing to help. She is willing to take risks. Able to. Shows ability. Examples. I am able to solve this problem. She is able to lift heavy weights. Would like to. Shows polite requests or desire. Examples. I would like to have coffee. She would like to visit Paris. That's all for today. Hope you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.